You know what? No one in my family has ever been abroad for studies, and I always wanted to do that. So, growing up, I always wanted to become a doctor. I mean, the white coat, the stethoscope, and the idea of being there and helping people, it all felt like a calling. And the 18-year-old me thought it was as simple as picking a country, applying to a university, and packing my bags. But then I had no idea where to start from. I mean, how to find the right international institutes, which country had the best medical programs, and what were the scholarships that were available. And just when I thought I had it all figured out, I didn't get my visa. Sad, right? So, hear me out. While I was reaching out to multiple international consulting services, I came across ITCS Bangalore. So I decided to give it a try and reached out, and it turned out to be the best decision ever. So what they do is they provide you with personalized admission guidance and help you identify the best international universities, and their career counseling sessions are a game changer. And you know what? ITCS doesn't stop here. They go above and beyond to help you find the best scholarship programs available and even assist you with securing your visa. And just when I thought their support couldn't get any better, they also helped me with accommodation and travel arrangements. And we all know moving to a new country is exhausting, but I knew that ITCS had my back and it made the transition super easy for me. And if you also have a dream like me, now you know what to do.
Thoughts why ITCS connects you to Penza University, a top medical university in Russia that turns your dream of becoming a doctor into reality with excellent FMGE results. Penza University offers world-class facilities with a global faculty, excellent FMGE passing ratio, globally recognized degree 24/7, campus security seminars and meetings with international doctors, practical classes for hands-on experience, vibrant community of students and lecturers. Enroll with ITCS today and start your journey to a successful medical career.